What's the meaning of court order? Court order. Court order.
Court order. Court order. A court order is an official command issued by a judge or court, requiring a person or entity to take or refrain from taking a particular action in accordance with the law. The result of a court order can vary depending on the case and the specific instructions outlined in the order. Generally, the order must be followed unless it is successfully challenged or overturned through an appeal or other legal process. Failure to comply with a court order may result in legal consequences, such as fines or even imprisonment.